While Thomas was away, filling in for Edwin, Percy and Luke had to look after Annie and Clarabel for him. One day Luke was waiting for the special coach to be added when Thomas came popping up beside him. "Hi buddy, how's things on the branch line?"
"Not bad."
"That's good to hear." Just then, Toby came up.
"Oh, hi Toby, what brings you here to Tidmouth?"
"Oh, Danwood is sleeping in my place at the shed, so I will be sleeping at Tidmouth tonight."
"I see. What berth will you be sleeping in?"
"I'm sleeping in Bear's place because he is at Crovan's Gate waiting for his new engine."
"Okay, that sounds nice."
That night, Toby backed down into the sheds when James called out.
"Oh, look, that garden shed is sleeping in our shed tonight."
That's not very nice, James. Oh, don't listen to him, Toby. He's only joking.
"I know that. It's been like that since I arrived on the island in 1951.
Okay, well, I'd better get some sleep now.
"Yeah, we have a very busy day tomorrow."
Alright, good night, Toby.
Good night. The next morning, Toby wouldn't wake up. He was still asleep. But then, he slowly started to move. Oliver was just waking up when he saw what was happening.
Toby! Toby!
But what he didn't know was that a careless cleaner had fiddled with Toby's controls. Meanwhile, Stepney was in the yards with Wilbert when Toby came puffing past. Huh? Just then, Oliver came up. "Hey Oliver, I haven't seen you since my first visit to Sodor."
Hi Wilbert. I'm looking for Toby because for some reason he started sleep-chuffing me. I need to try and stop him before something bad happens.
"I just saw him pass by just now." "I did too."
Okay, I was kind of switching onto the loop.
"I'll try and tell the signalman so he can do that."
Good.
Meanwhile, Edward was puffing down the line when he saw Toby.
Toby hasn't been gone to sleep. Maybe I'll wake him up.
Edward whistled, but Toby didn't wake up.
Well, that's kind of odd.
Further down the line, Gordon was puffing with the express, but what he didn't know was that Toby was on the same line as him. The signalman changed the points just in time.
What in Godred's name is wrong with you, Toby? You could have caused a serious accident.
Toby soon came to the loop. Thankfully, the signalman was told about the plans, so he switched Toby onto the points. Well, what the? Why am I moving? Driver, you might want to stop. Oh wait, I don't have a driver. Well, scrap. Back at the big station, Stepney, Wilbert and Oliver were in the yards when Thomas came up. "What's going on, Oliver? Shouldn't you be on the Little Western?"
Well, Thomas, this morning I saw Toby popping out of the shed still asleep. I tried to tell him, but he wouldn't wake up.
Just then, Toby came puffing in. He was going a little bit too fast. "Help! I can't stop!" "Don't worry, I've got this." A quick thinking shunter got into his cab and applied the brakes. And he stopped right before he hit the puffers at the end of the sheds. Phew! That was close.
You've had about 3 close calls. But how are you moving without your driver?
I think the cleaner fiddled with my controls while I was still asleep. That's why I was rolling down the main line without a driver.
Well, you should be thankful that you're still in one piece.
Yep. And Toby had to agree.